Hey guys, this is Elias with Softfly, and in today's video we are going to export JetEngine custom fields and we're going to upload those to Dropbox. Now, to get started, we need an export. We need a Zapier account, which I have here. It's free, you can create one very easily. And then we need a Dropbox account, right? So guys, in today's video we're going to just blast through this. I have an export already set up here. So I'm gonna click here on edit template so you can see what we're gonna export today. And if you don't know how to set all of this up from scratch, well, we have other great videos in our YouTube channel, or you can check out our docs at wplimport.com. We have tons of great videos and content that you can watch and learn a lot of fun stuff. For now guys, like I said, this is the export we have here. Let me open these properties for you so you can see that better. In fact, let me preview here, and let's find this one charge card right here. Okay. So as you can see, we have our title, description, a couple of taxonomies, the feature image, and here we have the JetEngine custom fields we created. So we have a couple of simple text fields, a couple of select fields. Then we have a JetEngine checkbox field, and you can select multiple values from here, right? Number, radius, and we have here a rooms repeater field, which, as you can see, contains 3 subfields, all of them text, and we can add as many as we want, if we wanted to do it, of course. Then up here, we have a JetEngine gallery and a JetEngine media field, and 4 more simple text fields. So this is what we have here, and as you can see, it's the same data we have: map address, short address, date first listed, availability, and well, other fun stuff here. So a couple of things you can notice here is, for example, this rooms element, which, remember guys, is this repeater, right? This one. It has here 3 subfields, so here it has 3 columns, and you can see it says room's name, measurements, and description, and those are the same names of the fields here. So that's how it works, and by default, let me get this back to its default settings, right? It's gonna export all of the data. Here is separating the elements with pipes, right? So you can see here entrance, hallway, WC, living room, and all of these are the rooms names. So if we go here, you can see entrance, hallway, WC, living room, dining room, and so on and so forth. Same here, right? And in the same order, you will find the measurements and descriptions. But if you wanted to export this more orderly, you can just enable these options, save, and all of the data, it's gonna show up in a single line, right? So that's better, but I don't know, it kind of depends on how you need it. Here we change a couple of the column names, right? We use a quick PHP function here on the amenities, so we replace the pipes, which is the default separator. Let me show you guys that. And here they are, right? We have the amenities, all of them separated with pipes, right? And if we enable the PHP function again, which is here, just copy the name, paste that here, save, preview, and here it is, right? Now guys, there is a lot of things you can do. You can, I don't know, say change the date format, or I don't know, do other crazy stuff here. But again, if you want to know how to set all of this up from scratch and play around with this, see the options and whatnot, just check out the other videos in our channel and check out our website at wplimport.com. Click on the docs menu and go nuts there. For now, I'm just gonna update this, just save it, and then I'm gonna go here to Zapier and I'm gonna create a new SAP. Now, for the SAPs, we're going to need a trigger and an action. Now, our trigger, it's going to be WPL export. So here it is in my case, but you can just type in here to WPL export, right? Select that. And for the event, we have 2 events. but in this case, I'm going to choose the first one, which is new export file, and continue. I have my site already connected, but we can change that if you want to. So we have here connect new account, and it will ask for an API key and the website URL. So you just go here to WPL export, click on settings, and here is the API key, right? So you just paste that here and then paste the website's URL, and boom, that's it. It's very easy, guys. Now I'm gonna continue with this account and I'm gonna test my trigger. All right, so this is gonna pull the latest export file, and we can see here some info, and all of this is looking good. So I'm gonna continue with this record, and then for the action, I'm gonna choose Dropbox, and the action is what happens after this trigger, after this automation is triggered, right? So I'm gonna choose an event, and I'm gonna choose upload a file from here. Continue, connect Dropbox. Just sign in and allow the connection. That's good. You need to be logged into your Dropbox account, of course, but as you can see, it's very simple. So continue. Now here for the space, you can just leave it here, personal or empty or whatever. Right, for the folder, I'm gonna say exports, just like that. Right, cool. Then here the file, this is what's gonna be coming from WPL export, which is this one, export file, right? And then override, I'm gonna say false, but you can change this if you want to. And then specify the file name. And well, guys, here you can type in whatever you want, but I'm gonna choose export name. Okay. And the file extension, you can just leave it as it is, or you can select here the file type or choose a custom one. That's up to you. So I'm gonna continue and test our step. Right, so let's see here in Dropbox, and as you can see, here we have our folder and our file. So let's open that, and here it is. And as you can see, we have all of our data. We have here our rooms, and all of the subfields are here too. So it's pretty neat. All right, and that's it. Now let's just give this a name. I'm just gonna call this export, and maybe properties export. All right, properties export, and publish this. And there you go. That's it, guys. That's how you export JetEngine custom fields to Dropbox using Zapier and, of course, WPL export. Now, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more about how to import or export other WordPress data, we have a ton more videos and content you can watch and learn from in our YouTube channel. So for now, just thank you for watching and see you next time.